How can I encourage strong root development in my vegetable plants for better growth and yield? Encouraging strong root development in your vegetable plants is crucial for ensuring better growth and yield. Here are 5 essential points to help you achieve this. 1. Provide adequate watering. Ensure a consistent and adequate water supply to your plants, allowing the soil to remain moist but not waterlogged. Deep, infrequent watering encourages roots to grow deeply into the soil, promoting strong and healthy root systems. 2. Use organic matter and mulch. Incorporate organic matter, such as compost or well-rotted manure, into the soil before planting. Additionally, apply mulch around the base of the plants to conserve moisture, maintain a steady soil temperature, and prevent weed growth, all of which contribute to healthy root development. 3. Promote soil aeration. Cultivate the soil regularly to prevent compaction and improve aeration. Loose soil allows roots to penetrate more easily, facilitating their growth and absorption of nutrients. Consider using raised beds or containers if your soil has poor drainage or is prone to compaction. 4. Apply balanced fertilizers. Use balanced, slow-release fertilizers or organic fertilizers to provide essential nutrients to the plants. Ensure that the fertilizer you choose contains a good balance of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, along with other micronutrients. This helps support overall plant health, including root development. 5. Choose appropriate planting techniques. Opt for appropriate planting techniques, such as transplanting young seedlings at the right depth, ensuring that the roots are well covered but not buried too deeply. Avoid disturbing the roots excessively during transplanting or weeding, as this can hinder their growth and development. By following these guidelines, you can create an optimal environment for strong root development, leading to healthier and more productive vegetable plants. I hope you like this information. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with your friends and family.